Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Python for spatial analysis. So first of all, I will be showing you how you can install the Python on your system. So now, if you want to install the Python, you have to download what is called Anaconda. You have to download Anaconda. So on that Anaconda contains most of the Python software. Now, this Anaconda has been installed on this system, and you can just, if you want to download it, you can just search for Anaconda free download on Google. It will actually take you to the website where you can actually download Anaconda. It will actually take you to the website where you can download Anaconda. Now, once you install it, just come to your search bar and type Anaconda. So once you type Anaconda, it will bring out this Anaconda prompt. Now, this Python has what is called geopanda, and that geopanda is used for spatial analysis. So geopanda is used for spatial analysis. So you can actually perform for spatial analysis using geopanda. Now, if I open this Anaconda prompt, now if I open Anaconda prompt, now once you open your Anaconda prompt, and you are going to, that's where you are going to insert. So how you can install your geopandas library and panda. Just type pip install geopandas. Now, for you to install, so once you press this, you press enter. So now I have installed it already on my system, but now once I have installed it, now it will tell me that it has been satisfied. You can see requirement already satisfied. That means I already installed it on my system. Now the same thing goes for panda. If you want to install panda, just say pip install panda. So it will install panda automatically, but make sure that your internet is on while installing it. Now, if I say pip install panda, it will also install panda. You can see my internet is not on, so that's why it's giving error. So once you say pip install panda, so it will install panda as well. So you can see requirements already satisfied. So pip install pandas. Now once you've done that, the interface I'm using for Python now is Spider. Now we have different interfaces where you can perform your spatial analysis using Python. We have Jupyter Notebook, we have Spider, we have PyCharm, depending on which one you find convenient. Now here I'm going to use Panda, so I'm going to introduce Python to you using Spider interface. So here I'm going to be showing you how you can bring in your shapefile. That is the GIS data. How you can bring in your shapefile into using how you can import your shapefile into Python and use it to plot a map. So I'm going to show you that in this tutorial. So subsequent tutorial, I will be showing you how you can also uh, bring in Excel or CSV data into Python, and how you can plot it together with your shapefile. Possibly we are going to use a population data, how you can create your population map using Python. So I'm going to be showing you that. But today I'm just going to show you how you can import your shapefile into Python for spatial analysis. So I will open the Spider interface. So once you install Anaconda, it's all the Python software is there. So once you search for Spider, it will give it to you. Once you search for Jupyter Notebook, it will also bring it. So once you install Anaconda, Anaconda has most of the Python interface. Now this is my Python interface. You can see these are some of my work. Now, but first thing you need to do is that you need to save your shapefile in a particular folder that you can easily locate. Now, the first thing now, how you can bring in your data into Spider, you go to, so for you to do that, you can see your working directory here. Now, this is your file. You can see this is the variable explorer, this is the plot explorer, this is the file. So now from here I can easily go to my working directory. So from the working directory, I will just add my working directory. Okay, this is my working directory. Now you can see this is what I want to work on. So now here I'm going to create another script. So for you to create another script, just right click, then you go to new, then you go to Python file. So here I will just say map. I'll just save it as map, then save. So once you save it, will start another, you can see it will start another script, map.py. So here I'm just going to highlight it, then delete. So now the first thing I need to do is to import my geopandas, my geopanda interface. So I have to import the geopandas so as to be able to read whatever I'm importing or whatever I want to do on this interface. So I will say, because we are using Panda just serves as an interface for the Python. So it's just like an interface for this Python environment. So I will just say import geopandas as GPD. Then I will say, I will come here and say import pandas as PD. Now this geopanda is what it is what we are going to use to bring in the shapefile into the Python environment. Why the pandas now is what will be used to bring in the Excel file into the Python environment, and subsequently you can use GPD to do some geoprocessing things. So now you will understand as we go. So now I am going to say this. I'm going to import my matplotlib, because that matplotlib is the thing that is going to make us to be able to plot the map. Without the matplotlib, the map won't be able to come in. So it is the matplotlib that is going to be used to plot the map. So it is the matplotlib that will be used to plot the map on the Python. So I will just say, come down here and say import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. That is what will be used to plot the map. So now we've already imported all the things we are going to use for our work to plot our map. So here, let me just bring in my shapefile. So I will show you how to bring in this shapefile. So here I'm going to bring in this shapefile. This is new Oyo shapefile, new Oyo. Now we are going to bring this in here. So for you to do that, you are going to say, for you to do that, you will say, you will just give it a name. So you can just give it a name like, let's say, Oyo state underscore state equals to gpd dot read underscore file, read file, then open bracket. So now this, then you are going to go here. Now you are going to go here, right click on this shapefile, then copy it. Then once you copy it, come here and paste. You can see, come here and paste. Now another thing you can do is, you might not need this working folder since we are already working on the folder already. You understand? If you use this working directory and or you take it away, it's still the same thing because we are already working on the folder. So definitely it's automatically saved in the folder. So here, once you do that, just click next. Then now say, you can now say Oyo states. You can now say Oyo state dot plot, then open your bracket, then you can now save and run. So here you can see a map here. This is our map here. You can see this is our map here. So the map, the shapefile have been brought in. Now in case you want to increase this, in case you want to increase the fonts and or you want to give it a color, there's what we call color map. So color map has different types of color with their simple code. You can see these are the only codes you can input. You can see these are the colors, different colors. You can see different colors here, different colors here. So if, for example, if I put this set 1, so I can just say, I can just come here and say cmap, that is the color map, equals to sex. Just put apostrophe, then equals to sex. So here, if you run, okay, so let's say sex. Let's see small letter. That is, it's a small letter, not capital here. So here, okay, it is sex 1. Sex 1. So sex, then 1. Then let's run it. You can see here. Now it gives it different colors that are here. You can see set 1. It gives you the different color that are here. You can see each local government has a different color here. So now the next thing is you can just say you can just say like the edge. So you can just say comma edge, equals to black. That is the edge of the map. So that is the edge of the map. We want it to be thick. So you just say edge, not edge, edge color. Edge color equal to black. You can see it has changed the edge color to black. Here you can see it is now bold. Now you can now say, here you can now say, we can now say fig size. That is the size of the map equals to, open a bracket. So you can now say, let's say 10 by 10, or let's use 12 by 12. So fixed size, that is the fixed size. So let's run. You can see the size here. You can see the size here. So now, if you want to check the coordinates of this map, you can just come here and say Oyo State. You can just come to the console here and say Oyo State dot CRS. Open your bracket and run. Just say Oyo State, Oyo State dot CRS. Just run. You can see this is in projected coordinates here. You can see that the variable is in projected coordinates. You can see that it is in a projected coordinates here. So now, in case you want to change the coordinates, you can just come here. If you want to change the coordinates, you cannot just see Oyo State. So you can, once you know the code of the coordinates, equals to, you can just say Oyo State dot to CRS. So CRS, then you come here, then just say EPSG, that is the projected coordinate here. So 326 33, that is the type we are using here. So once you run it, you can see it will definitely change the coordinates, or let's say to CRS. Let's run. You can see. So once we run here, you can see here, once you run here and you come here and just see for your state, the coordinate is already in projected coordinate, so I don't need to change it again. So you can see the coordinate, it is in projected coordinate already. So that is how you can change the coordinate here. So that is how you can change the coordinate here. Then, in case you have another shapefile, let's say I come to this place, let's say I come here, I just take maybe let's just say I just take buildings. Let's just say I just take buildings here, or rather let's say I just take let's say I just take river. Let me copy and paste here. Okay, let me just cancel this and just take away the buildings. Let me just take away the buildings. Okay, now once I do that, it will appear here automatically. You can see the river. Now let's say I want to plot the river too. I'll just come here. I'll just come here and just press down. Then I will just say river Oyo equals to just the same way we did the first one, GPD dot read file then open a bracket. You can just say, since you have it here, since you're already working on the folder, so river dot shp. So this is just what you need. So just click next and just say river Oyo dot plot. Just plot it. So once you plot, so river Oyo just plot it. You can see it will show you the river here. It will show you the river here. You can see. So that is how to do that. Now let's now say you want to plot this river on this map. Let's say you want to plot this river on this map. So what you are going to do in that case is to enter a code, say fig ax equals to plot, that is plt dot subplots So after you done that, you can go to the next and say Oyo underscore states dot plot bracket ax equals to ax so you go down again as well. You say river Oyo dot plot bracket ax equals to ax. So let's run this and see. Okay, so let's assign a value here 1. Let's see and run. Okay, now this is it. So let's see how it's going to be. Yes, here again. So yeah, let's assign a size, fixed size equals to, let's use 10 by 8. So Oyo state plot ax equals to ax. Then let's use a color equals to green. So let's also assign a color here. Let's say color equals to blue. So and let's run. Okay, I guess the river is for Ibadan, so that's why the river is like this. So let's try to see the coordinate of the river. Let's see river Oyo dot crs. You can see the river here is in a geographic coordinate. You can see the river here is in a geographic coordinate. So we need to convert the river into a projected coordinate as well. So let's say river underscore Oyo. So let's change the coordinate as well. Let's change the coordinate of this Oyo. So you can say just river dot plots river dot plots, or let's say river Oyo equals to river Oyo dot to CRS. So here open a bracket EPSG. So here we use this 32633. So this is the coordinate system we use. So once we run it will change the coordinate. You can see now that after we change the coordinate system, it's aligned with the map. The reason why it's bringing out the map like this was because the river was in a geographic coordinate, while the Oyo State shapefile is in a projected coordinate. So we need to convert the river also to a projected coordinate just to correct it. So you can see that after we change it to a correct projected coordinate as well, you can see that the river stayed on top. So here we can say color equals to none, then edge color equals to black. That is for your state. Edge color equals to black. So let's run it again. So you can see how the map appeared here. Then here you can decide to use a C map. Then take a color, let's say set 1. So let's see how that will look. You can see this is nice. So you can see this is how to plot map on top of each other in Python. Now there's one other thing. If you want to plot side by side, let's say you want to plot side by side so you can just say you want to plot side by side the river beside the Oyo. So you can just say fig into brackets ax. So we are going to divide the two variables. So the first one will be called ax1, while the second will be called ax2. The two variables. So here equals to plt dot sub plots subplots. So let's just say this. So here, if we come here to variable, you can see Oyo State here. You can see. So we can actually see the attribute here. So that is that. So here you are going to say Oyo underscore state will be ax1 dot plot. So that will be ax equals to ax1. That is the following. Then the river slash Oyo. So river slash Oyo. So river slash Oyo dot plot. So that will be your ax2. Ax equals to ax2. So that will be your ax2. So here you can just apply a color. Let's just say C map equals to, we have HSV as well. That is part of the color I showed you the other time. So H color equals to black. So here you can just assign a simple color. Let's say color equals to blue. So let's run. So there is something wrong with the command. So now let's say, let's use this. Okay, so you can see now, this now was what was omitted before. Now this simply means that I want the column to be true. You understand? Like I want the map to be true. So this is now what represents column equals to two maps. So this means two maps. So in a column, this means two maps. So you can see that the map here, they are now plotted side by side. When I say column equals to 2, that is n column equals to 2. That means that I want the column to contain two maps. So that is that. So this is how you can plot maps side by side. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you some geoprocessing functions. Some geoprocessing functions you can perform with Spider, and with subsequent tutorial I will be showing you how you can create a point data. You can add your Excel or CSV point data and use it and convert it to point on Spider, and how you can also create a population map on Spider. So that will be in a subsequent tutorial. So I hope you really understand this, and if there is any question, you can always type it on the comment section.